This is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to show hidden photo on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The hidden photos are images that don't appear in the main photo library or any other album photos. They are effectively tagged as hidden in the photos in the same way that some photos are tagged as favorites, receipts, or illustration. If you look in the sidebar of photos, you'll see a section called Utilities that houses favorites, illustration, receipts, and yes, your favorite. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to hide photos from your album on MacBook. But now, what if you want to unhide? You want to show the hidden photos. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open your photos. You can open your hidden photo, your album on your MacBook. Now, you can go to your menu bar on the top of your screen. There is an option view. You can just select on that. But before that, you can check on your album. There's only library, memories, people, places, recent, and import. There's no hidden album in here. So to show it, you can just select on the view on your menu bar. This one. There is an option show hidden photo album. You can just select on that. So you can see now there is a hidden album. You can just select on that hidden. So here's all your hidden photos and videos on your MacBook. If you want to unhide one of them, maybe for the example I want to unhide this one, you can just select on the photo. You can click right. There is an option unhide. You can just select on unhide. And you can also unhide more than one at once. I will select these two photos. Now you can just click right, select on unhide photos. Now you will see the photo will be back to your main library on your album. It's very simple, right? So that is how to show hidden photos on your MacBook album. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!